ner mala ken yam te ke mishi tore we ka disa ba mishi do al chino do no kwaye la larmana la rode te ga mai ti cha do ka disa baba bana ja kula lenke la madan la rode we ka disa baba ki ethiopia ne tin wan china diaran tama do sha information me sha no anatin content we ka disa baba la media and content ki ethiopia ka manan sure lot jen gor mono ba nywaga ye kel ka ta dan china ma to ga ja che gor no ba na bu ga dwal ko mishala de wa nene we ka Addis Ababa tema Addis Ababa Police Commission chigan ladu nene kan metin konen shaling we ka Addis Ababa wa kanete konte chirodin marai kuma ka alla OLF Oromo Liberation Movement ki Oromo Liberation Front idane shi metador michiro kola mara ke kuma Ethiopia ne de konen ya hol nan ka training awa kan idin konen dwa ka majire we ka Addis Ababa no ko shikan mal chikan nok wa jen doy ken make jamo shikuma jala no amal telemul dian mitetin telemi lariek ke telemula kur aduno doy ken make ko shikan mal chikan nok chawraje me chaje ko no Canadian corner don kana lingwas me chalari nene ere wika Addis Ababa wa Addis Ababa Police Commission informed that the sound of gun heard in different areas of Addis Ababa city was heard by former OLF army group members who are going to rehabilitation training centers after accepting the government call for peace. What they can make ko shika mal shikana nok term radian me kujimi che goro benadwal katadan and sha mejeto sha lingaje kenena the work of transporting the members of the army group to the prepared rehabilitation training center is going to successfully. In the meantime, other militants were moving across Addis Ababa to training center. They were dancing and rejoicing. The training center, they were dancing and rejoicing. The people of the city has been disturbing. We apologize for the disturbance caused by the citizen, and we would like to inform you that there will be a lot of precaution and corrective measures to be taken to prevent similar problems in the future. Kene o ne di ala kon braga mere wika Addis Ababa kene amal is a peace. Kene amal tena lodien ka tadan en chalat ka jeduno bikume kene bikan mende kan lat ka kwide na mo bikan lat ka kene amal kan tar malari kan tar kor janana gorde nyo ayakel ka riga nan to wika Addis Ababa. Watela mala wa shwa panic chwadwal. Everything is all right. A peace. And be at the mal, a banding with the mitro, lenyok, do know a mal and tama.